Hello and welcome to CryptoBit, where we'll be discussing cryptocurrencies, what they are, how they work, and why they're important. Cryptocurrencies are a type of digital currency that are often referred to as crypto or digital assets. They are secured by complex computer algorithms that make them very difficult to counterfeit or duplicate. The key feature of cryptocurrencies is that they are decentralized, meaning that they are not controlled by any government, financial institution, or corporation. Instead, they operate on a peer-to-peer network, which means that they are maintained by a community of users and developers. One of the most famous cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin. It was invented in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin was designed to be a decentralized digital currency that would allow people to send money to each other, without the need for intermediaries like banks or payment processors. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have been created, each with its unique features and purposes. So, why do we need cryptocurrencies? To answer that, we need to take a look at the traditional financial system. In the current system, banks and other financial institutions control our money. They keep track of our balances, process transactions, and lend us money when we need it. While this system has worked well for many years, it has several disadvantages. First, traditional financial systems can be slow and expensive. Transactions can take days to complete, and banks often charge fees for their services. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, can be sent almost instantly and at a much lower cost. Transactions can be processed almost instantly and at a fraction of the cost of traditional wire transfers. This makes them an ideal option for people who need to send or receive money quickly and efficiently. Second, traditional financial systems are centralized, which means that they're controlled by a small group of powerful organizations. This can make them vulnerable to fraud, hacking, and other types of abuse. Cryptocurrencies, however, are decentralized, which means that no single organization controls them. This makes them more secure and less vulnerable to fraud. Cryptocurrencies operate on a peer-to-peer network, which means that every user is responsible for verifying the transactions of other users. This distributed verification process makes it extremely difficult for anyone to manipulate the system. Third, traditional financial systems can be exclusive. Many people around the world don't have access to banking services, which can make it difficult for them to participate in the global economy. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, can be used by anyone with an internet connection, regardless of where they are or whether they have access to traditional financial services. This means that anyone with a smartphone or a computer can use cryptocurrencies to buy and sell goods and services. Finally, cryptocurrencies offer increased privacy and anonymity. In the traditional financial system, transactions are often monitored and recorded by banks and other financial institutions. This can make it difficult for people who value their privacy to make transactions without revealing their identity. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, can be used anonymously, which can be important for people who want to keep their financial transactions private. This anonymity can be particularly valuable in countries where the government or other organizations monitor financial transactions. In conclusion, cryptocurrencies are a type of digital currency that are decentralized, borderless, faster, cheaper, and more secure than traditional financial systems. They also offer the potential for financial inclusion, which can help to improve the economic well-being of people in developing countries. Cryptocurrencies are still a relatively new technology, and their future is uncertain. However, the potential benefits they offer make them an exciting and important development in the world of finance. Thank you for watching this video on Introduction to Cryptocurrencies and why are they needed. We hope that you found this information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Despite the advantages that cryptocurrencies offer, they also face some challenges. One of the biggest challenges is regulatory uncertainty. Many governments are still trying to figure out how to regulate cryptocurrencies, and there are concerns that they could be used for illegal activities, such as money laundering and terrorism financing. This has led to some countries, such as China and India, banning cryptocurrencies altogether. Another challenge facing cryptocurrencies is volatility. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate wildly, sometimes within a single day. This makes them a risky investment for some people. However, it's important to note that not all cryptocurrencies are the same. Some are more stable than others, and some are designed specifically to avoid volatility. In conclusion, cryptocurrencies are a promising development in the world of finance. They offer several advantages over traditional financial systems, such as faster and cheaper transactions, increased privacy and security, and the potential for financial inclusion. While there are still challenges to overcome, cryptocurrencies have the potential to transform the way we conduct financial transactions and interact with money. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you again on CryptoBit for more informative videos on cryptocurrencies.